Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to convert a hard drive from NTFS to FAT32 without losing any data. So for some reason, if you have the need to actually do this, we're going to show you how. Okay, so we have this data drive here. You can see it's the E drive, 50 gigs, NTFS. You can see here the data drive, and we have these files on it. So if you're in disk management, you don't have any options for that. You could do things like delete the volume or reformat it. FAT32, but then you're going to lose your data. You'll have to move your data off, reformat it, and then move it back on. And then up here, you don't have any real options for converting anything. All right, so what we're going to be doing is using a program called NIUBI Partition Editor. So it is a free program. They do have a professional version with more features, but the free version will convert NTFS to FAT32, no problem. All right, so we have it open here. Here's the same drive, NTFS. So all you need to do is either right-click it and choose Convert NTFS to FAT32, or you can click on the same option here on the left. So it says this program will convert this volume to FAT32. So it locks the volume, does the conversion, but it's not going to take effect until you click on the Apply button. You could also undo it if you change your mind before clicking Apply, that is. Okay, say OK to that, and that was nice and quick. Now you can see it's FAT32 there. And if we go back here and refresh, you can see we have FAT32 here as well. And if we go to our files, you can see we have the same 4 files here. Then it actually added this recycle bin folder as well. All right, so like I said, it's a pretty simple process. Just download and install NIUBI Partition Editor, right-click your drive, or choose the menu over here and convert it to FAT32. You notice you can't do it on your system drive. It won't let you convert that to FAT32. So it's just going to be for secondary drives or external drives. You could probably do it for flash drives as well. All right, so I'll put a link in the description for NIUBI Partition Editor, and then you could try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.